The script for this video, the title, thumbnail, description, even the graphics that you're going to see on the screen next are all made by this one AI system. Let me open it up and show you the real thing. Hi, I'm Vatsal. I run ClarityWorks. We help businesses build in-house AI capabilities so they don't depend on outside agency help to remain competitive in this age of AI. In this video, I'm actually going to open up the exact system I used to make this video, the real files, so you can see what an AI system that you can actually trust looks like. So here's the plan. 3 things. First, I'll show you what it produces. Second, take you inside and show you how it's wired. And third, I'll show you the 4 things that make it safe to run in a business. So let me be honest upfront. This is not a copy my build tutorial, and I'm not going to show you how to build it from scratch today. This is me opening a system that already works so you can see what good actually looks like before you go build your own version. This video is specially made for operators who keep listening, just automate it, and wants to know what a real automated workflow looks like up close. This is a real AI system, not just a flashy demo built for likes. And one big disclaimer before I show you the next screen. I'm not a coder. I don't have a computer science degree. I built all this by talking to AI in plain and simple English. I want you to focus on what it does and not on the buttons here and there. So let's dive right into it. So here's the folder of the exact video that you're watching. It has the idea file, it has the script, the title, the thumbnail, the description, everything. Every one of the things that came out of this system is in here. Let me take you through what it exactly looks like. So if you look here, this is the exact same folder. It has the ideation file where I give it a raw input on the idea. It checks if there is strategic fit. It checks for an outlier structure on this video. It does a multi-point validation whether this video is work or not. It gives me title options for that idea. Then a credibility angle, and also additional like whatever I told it, the do's and don'ts for the video. Once this is ready, this is the script of the video that you're watching. You can pause the video and see. This is exactly the script I'm using to record this video. Here it is. It also generated me the upload assets, titles. It gave me 3 titles, a recommendation. It also generated thumbnail concepts. So it gave me 3 concepts for this video. I can choose whichever concept I like the best and use that to generate the thumbnail. It gives me a YouTube video description, the tags, the pinned comment, every single thing. Now, once I choose which concept, YouTube thumbnail concept I liked, I can go ahead and ask it to make it. It just went ahead and made this. And to reiterate, all I did to generate this thumbnail was tell the system which concept I liked the most, and it went ahead and it generated this. Now that you have seen the outputs this system generated, I want to clear out a few things. Is this the best content pipeline on the internet? Maybe not. Did it give me a perfect script and a perfect thumbnail? Maybe not. But is it reliable? Yes. Does it make a slow and messy process fast and consistent? 100% yes for me. And I believe the bar that matters the most in business is being reliable, not flashy. And to make this video useful for yourself, I want you to forget that this video is about YouTube for a second. Swap the word video for your repeatable work. A client report, an onboarding packet, a weekly summary, or whatever. This is what it looks like when the thing produces itself to a standard you set and you just review and approve. Now let's jump back into the system again and let me show you what's actually inside it. So if you'll notice, it's a chain of stages, each doing one small job. Idea, script, production, the visual aids, the upload assets, repurposing, publishing, and a status which checks at which stage the video idea is currently at. And if you'll notice, the output of one stage becomes the input for the next stage. One thing to note here is, I didn't start by picking an AI tool. I started by writing down the messy process by hand first, and then I handed the boring parts to AI. The order in which I did it is the whole reason it works. Allow me to show you one real handoff. So if you'll notice, this is how the video started. I gave Claude the idea for my next video, what I want to achieve, who I'm making it for, what I want in that video, what I don't want in that video, and I let it run. Based on that, it generated this ideation file, which we saw earlier in the video as well. Once this ideation file was ready, once I had done enough back and forth, gave it feedback, listened to its feedback, once we were fixated on the idea and the angle we chose for this particular video, we moved into scripting. Now, this idea was used as an input for this stage to draft the script. Also, each stage, if you'll notice, has a skills file for it. You can think of it as a small SOP as to how to complete that particular task. And these skills are ever improving. We'll talk about it later in the video as well. So the script got made. Again, a little bit back and forth. I edited, I gave it feedback, it improved. Once this script was locked in, we moved on to the next stages, which was visual aids, upload assets, so on and so forth. Now look at this. See how every stage stops and waits for me before it moves on. Nothing runs end to end unsupervised. And that's deliberate. Mostly right and nobody's watching is exactly how an automated system burns you in business. There has to be human involved in every single loop. To reiterate, I am not coding. I'm just being clear about the outcome I want and what my constraints are. Just like how I would have briefed a team member of mine if he or she was responsible for doing this job. Alright, if you're wondering why is it built in this exact shape, it's because it's built on the 5 plain steps I run on any workflow before AI touches it. Question what's needed, delete, simplify, write the process down, and then automate. You're not watching me do that here. You are looking at what it produces once it's done. This system is those 5 steps, frozen into a machine. Now, if you're watching this thinking, which of my workflows do I even start with? I made a whole video on exactly that. It should be linked right here. Watch it after this. Let's get back into the system. Alright, let's talk about what's so special about the system that I built. Why is it safe to run in any business? So there are 4 reasons for this. First, it's reliable. As you saw, it has gates everywhere, a human on every decision. It does the same job the same way every single time. And it never ships without me. And I think in a business that's a non-negotiable. Point number 2, I own it because I run it in plain simple English. There is no developer, there is no agency that I have to call to change something. If a stage isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing, I simply tell it what to do differently in words. And you should be able to do the same with anything running in your business. Point number 3, there is no single company's name welded to the core of how this system works. It's simply my instructions and my files. When a better AI shows up next month, I just swap the engine and keep driving. And this matters because you don't want your whole system to be chained to a single vendor who can change the price whenever it likes, or worse, disappear. Point number 4, and this one is the most important, it compounds. This didn't show up. The system that I showed you didn't become what it is on day 1. By every video, I fixed one rough edge so it gets a little better every time it runs. That's what also makes this a system that I own, and it beats a tool that I can rent. Month 6 on this system is sharper and better than month 1. And this is the part I really want you to get, because it's the whole point. This system isn't done. It's never done. It's built so I can bolt new things onto it whenever I'm ready. Now here's an example of one thing that I'll add soon to it. Once I've got enough videos out there, I'll connect this to my YouTube analytics. Then the stage that writes my YouTube thumbnails and titles can look at what's actually working, which videos earn the clicks, and take cues from that instead of guessing. So then the system starts learning from its own results. And you can swap that into your own world. A code system that learns from the codes that actually close. A report that notices which numbers your client keep asking for. It's the same move. It feeds on its own results and gets better every single time. And as I trust a stage more, I start handing it even more. The parts that I babysit today, I let them run on their own tomorrow, once they have earned it. You don't have to automate everything on day one. You add as your comfort grows. So a system you build this way is future-proof and yours to shape. It's limited by only two things. First, your imagination, and second, how comfortable are you handing off things? So start small and keep adding. So that was the real thing. Not a slide, not a someday. A system that produces real work and stops for me at every decision. It runs in plain simple English and it isn't chained to any single vendor. Lastly, it gets better every single time I run it. Alright, to reiterate one last time, my pipeline isn't special. It's a normal messy process that I cleaned up and I handed the boring parts to AI while still holding the wheel. Now you can point the same thinking and any workflow in your business and you'll have your own version of it. Alright, if you want a system like this in your own business but don't want to figure out the order alone, that's exactly what we do in Clarity Work Sprint. We find your highest leverage workflow, write the process down with you, and set up the first automated version of that workflow. If you'd like to learn more, check out this video where I go in depth about this program and you can see what it entails, what outcomes you're going to get. If you're interested, you can book a call with the link in the description box below. You can also click on this video to watch right after this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.